Hello everyone. Many Indian lawyers and law students want to build a international legal career in United Kingdom. My first question is, how does the UK legal system actually work? It is the same as the Indian legal system for who are solicitor and barristers, and how can Indian advocate become a UK solicitor? In this lecture, I will explain the UK legal system and in simple terms, which is extremely important for students preparing for a solicitor's qualification exam. My name is Dr. Saurabh Kapoor, advocate practicing for the Supreme Court of India and Delhi High Court, and an instructor at Lex Imperium Academy, where we guide lawyers for international legal qualification like SQE. Structure of UK legal system. The legal system of United Kingdom is primarily based on common law. India also follow the common law tradition because our legal system are influenced during the British period. The UK legal system is based on judicial precedents, statutes passed by Parliament, legal principles developed through case law. This means the decision of higher court are binding on lower courts. This principle is called stare decisis, meaning to stand by decided cases. Court structure in the United Kingdom. Now let us understand the hierarchy of courts in the United Kingdom. The highest court in the United Kingdom is the Supreme Court of United Kingdom. This court hears the most important constitutional and public law cases. Below the Supreme Court is the Court of Appeal, which has two divisions, civil division, criminal division. Below this level are High Court of Justice, Crown Court, County Courts, Magistrate Court. So each court deals with specific type of cases. For example, county courts handle most civil disputes, while magistrate court handles minor criminal matters. Part 3. Its legal profession in the UK. One of the most unique feature of the UK legal system is that the legal profession is divided into two categories. Solicitors deals with client advisory work, drafting contract, preparing legal documents, managing litigation. Most lawyers working in law firms are solicitors. To become a solicitor today, candidate must pass the Solicitors Qualification Examination conducted by Solicitors Regulation Authority. Second is the barristers. Barristers specialize in court advocacy and litigation. They usually appear in higher courts and are instructed by solicitors. Barristers work from professional office known as chambers. Difference between UK and Indian legal practice. Although India and UK follows a common law, there are some important differences. In India, a single category of lawyers called advocates can both advise client and appear in court. But in the UK, the profession is divided between solicitors and barristers. Another important difference in the UK legal system places important emphasis on case precedents and structured legal training. How Indian lawyer can qualify in UK. Many Indian lawyers today are qualifying as UK solicitor through SQE pathway. The process generally involves passing SQE1 legal knowledge exam, SQE2 practical skill exam. Third is completing qualifying work experience. The system has opened new opportunities for Indian lawyers to build international careers. Part 6 is career opportunity after SQE. After qualifying as a solicitor, lawyers can work in international law firms, multinational corporations, global legal consulting firms, compliance and regulatory roles. The UK qualification is also respected in many international jurisdictions. Invitation to students: if you are a law student or advocate who wants to build a global legal career, understanding the UK legal system and SQE examination is the first step. At Lex Imperium Academy, we provide structured guidance for SQE preparation, international legal careers, Supreme Court practice, advocate on record examination. If you found this lecture useful, subscribe to this channel, follow our WhatsApp channel for legal update, and contact us if you want guidance for SQE or international legal practice. My name is Dr. Saurabh Kapoor, advocate practicing before Supreme Court of India and Delhi High Court. Thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward for guiding you in your international legal career journey. Thank you.